Okay, good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Unit 9 Taxonomic Kingdoms test. I'm going to read the questions to you. Feel free to pause the video if you need to at any time and rewind or take time to answer a question. Good luck. Question 1. Animal cells are considered eukaryotic and bacteria cells prokaryotic. This is because, is it A, animal cells grow at a much slower rate than bacteria? Is it B, the cell membrane on an animal cell is much more rigid? Is it C, animal cells require energy from outside food sources? Is it D, animal cells have a nucleus and bacteria do not? Question 2. What is one characteristic that all living things have in common? All living things, is it F, are made up of cells? Is it G, eat food for energy? Is it H, sleep for half the day? Or is it J, reproduce asexually? Number 3, a prokaryotic cell has, is it A, no nucleus? Is it B, a nucleus? Is it C, multiple cells? Is it D, a nucleus outside of its membrane? Question 4, a eukaryotic cell has, is it F, no nucleus? Is it G, a nucleus? Is it H, multiple cells? Is it J, a nucleus outside of its membrane? Question 5. Scientists have found a new organism on Mars. They are trying to figure out what kind of organism it is. They have observed that it is unicellular and has DNA in the cell, but it does not have a nucleus. Based on their observations, is the organism prokaryotic or eukaryotic? A, prokaryotic, B, eukaryotic. Question 6, an organism that is prokaryotic, unicellular, reproduces asexually. Excuse me. An organism that is prokaryotic, unicellular, and reproduces asexually is F, a plant, G, an animal, H, a fungi, or J, bacteria. Number 7, an organism that is eukaryotic reproduces sexually and asexually. It is heterotrophic and autotrophic, and it is unicellular or multicellular. Is it A, a plant, B, a protist, C, a fungi, D, bacteria? Question 8, an organism that is multicellular and makes its own food is a blank, a plant, G, a protist, H, fungi, J, bacteria. Number 9, organisms that make their own food are A, heterotrophic, B, multicellular, C, autotrophic, D, unicellular. Question 10, organisms that do not make their own food are F, heterotrophic, G, multicellular, H, autotrophic, J, unicellular. Number 11, states that cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms. Okay, so this answer down here states that the cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are made of cells, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. So what is it that says this? Is it A, cell theory, B, cellular law, C, cell phones, D, one-day cell? 12. The nucleus is the structure inside of eukaryotic cells that contains the blank. Is it F, DNA, G, ABCs, H, liver, J, kidneys? Number 13. A basic unit of structure and function in an organism is it A, a cell, B, a protein, G, an amoeba, or D, SpongeBob? 14. Single-celled organisms that live in harsh environments are called blank. Is it F, protists, G, fungi, H, archaebacteria, J, animals? Number 15, the process or system of describing the ways in which organisms are classified and grouped according to their similarities and differences is called, is it A, taxonomy, B, kingdom, C, archaeology, D, biology? The broadest level of classifications of organisms, all life on Earth is separated into three of these. So what's the broadest classification? Is it F kingdom, G phylum, H domain, or J class? 17. This cell right here, is it prokaryotic or eukaryotic? This cell right here, is it prokaryotic or eukaryotic? 19. This cell here, is it prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Okay, good luck to everybody. Rewind the video if you need to listen to questions again, and good luck.